In this video, I will show how to write less than symbol in Microsoft Excel. So there are some methods you can write this symbol easily. First method, you will find this key near control, right control. So press shift and write this key less than. Almost you will find before M key on your keyboard. Another way, click on insert, then equation. Here you will get this symbol, just select it. Similarly, you can write this much less than, or you can write this greater than. So these all are options you can write in Microsoft Excel. Or also guys, this method will work in Microsoft Word. Method is same. So thanks for watching.